do have an innate thirst and curiosity to learn, to find out more, to have their questions answered. And it's our role as teachers to nurture that, to make that possible, to give them the experiences that they can then draw on to answer their own questions.
So who of you wants to be a scientist? Hey.
Guided inquiry is a really successful framework in order to take people from where they are into new experiences that they can understand and develop knowledge as they go.
What is PVC? Can you tell people what it is?
Yes, PVC is a plastic that was quite hard and sometimes used in water bottles.
Great, okay.
It's honouring the learner and saying, hey, where are you? What are you interested in? What do you know? And let's do this together. So it's providing learning experiences in a pedagogy and a paradigm of openness and inquiring so that we're actually giving people power to feel brave to ask their own questions, feel encouraged and supported, and then achieve an outcome that they wouldn't have achieved if we just said, here is something you need to know. But it's actually a journey. It's a supported journey to achieve really positive outcomes.
Do you think paper and cardboard are like connected or related in some way?
Yes! All cardboard is just like more layers of paper.
Okay, we could investigate that too.
What we absolutely know about the way people learn is that they learn by doing. The more opportunities students are given to participate in hands-on experiences of scientific phenomena, particularly using concrete materials, by investigating and exploring, the more they will almost embody the learning and the understanding around the big ideas that are being explored.
In the modern classroom, collaboration is a complete necessity. If we want our students to grow up as they approach the midway of the 21st century, by the time they're 20, 30, 40 years old, they need to be able to think critically, they need to be able to collaborate with one another, they need higher order thinking skills, and all those skills which they're going to need as employees in the future, this comes from this kind of inquiry-based approach.
What I saw was kids that are really engaged in their activities, that they're talking to each other, that they're listening carefully, that they're really thinking scientifically this morning, even though I'm not sure that they're aware that they're doing that.
Why would it roll easily? There's my question.
Because this is a cylinder and it's circular, it has no edges and no corners. But for example,
Primary Connections gives us the grounding on which building really successful learning is possible. It's a really supportive, accessible framework, bringing together really good learning in the context of science so that you and your students can really learn together to embrace that curiosity, that sense of wonder, and go on a journey together.